All right, everybody, here we go. Here we coming up on this edge here. It doesn't look like it, but it doesn't look like she was going to stop, and we were kind of freaking out because she like didn't appear like she was going to stop there at that traffic light. So now we're coming on down the road here a little bit further, and I do believe the speed limit's like 35. We didn't think any much more of her. We're coming up on another traffic light. Everybody else in front of me makes the traffic light except for me. And as you can see, the light's green, light's still green, light's yellow, 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 yellow. Now it's red. And the light's been red for like 5 seconds at least, and there she goes, blowing through the red light. Luckily, that guy in that van hesitated, or he would have been quite surprised by having an edge in his side. Then the light changed pretty quickly. She should have stopped, but she didn't. Blatantly ran the red light, almost hit us at the other intersection. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.